Hello and welcome. I'm Saeed from StoryPlanet.net. Dive right into the essence of the most captivating books without reading them cover to cover. Whether you're on the go, at the gym, or just relaxing at home, we offer you a unique and enriching listening experience. Today, we are exploring the book, The Female Brain, a creation by Louann Brizendine. In the book, The Female Brain, 2006, a renowned work in popular neuroscience, it is proposed that hormonal influences during neural development significantly mold women's drives and behaviors. Only a small number of hormones steer the various stages that define life with a female brain. Before we delve into these revelations, it's interesting to note that Louann Brizendine, an American neuroscientist, researcher, professor, and clinician, authored 3 books, one being The Male Brain, and served as the inspiration for the 2017 film The Female Brain. With 7 key ideas to unveil, brace yourself for a deep dive into this captivating book on StoryPlanet.net. To start, the text introduces the topic of exploring the powerful hormones that influence the female brain across different stages of life. Louann Brizendine noticed a lack of focus on women's brains in neuroscience studies and founded a clinic to address the issue. Her book, The Female Brain, explores the influence of female hormones on brain development and perceptions from infancy to old age, highlighting the interplay of chemistry, biology, and culture at each life stage. Key idea number 1. The text briefly mentions the stages of development from fetus to baby to child. In the womb, all brains initially appear female until testosterone or estrogen leads to brain and body development differences. Female brains are exposed to high estrogen levels early on, which impacts communication and sensitivity to emotions throughout life. During girlhood, constant communication and observation are driven by estrogen-influenced brain structures, but changes occur during puberty. Key idea number 2, key points. Puberty is a challenging period in life known as the tumultuous teens. It is a time of physical, emotional, and social changes. Adolescents experience growth spurts, changes in body shape, and the development of secondary sexual characteristics. Hormonal changes can lead to mood swings and changes in behavior. Peer relationships become more important during this time. Parental support and open communication are crucial for navigating puberty successfully. Puberty in females is marked by significant hormonal changes, primarily driven by estrogen and progesterone. These hormonal fluctuations impact brain function, memory, emotions, stress responses, and social behaviors. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making, is not fully developed during this time, leading to impulsive behavior. Hormones like oxytocin and dopamine play a role in enhancing social connections and pleasure. Puberty also brings about physical changes, influencing body shape, sleep patterns, and social dynamics. As sexual maturity approaches, these changes intensify, paving the way for romantic experiences and further transformations. Key idea number 3. The connection between hormones and passion is significant as hormones play a crucial role in influencing romantic feelings and behaviors. Hormones such as testosterone, estrogen, and oxytocin can impact emotions, attraction, and intimacy, shaping our experiences of love and passion. Female and male brains experience different hormonal and neural changes during puberty, affecting communication styles and desires in relationships. Hormones like testosterone and androgens play a significant role in driving behavior, including aggression, competition, and sexual drive. Differences in neural formations between male and female brains can lead to misunderstandings in communication and relationship dynamics. Hormonal fluctuations, particularly oxytocin and dopamine, influence the pursuit of intimacy and affect emotional responses, potentially leading to challenges like staying in unhealthy relationships for the chemical rewards. Hormonal impacts persist beyond puberty, affecting desire for sugary treats and triggering highs and lows akin to drug addiction in relationships. Love alters these dynamics in the brain. Key idea number 4, mated minds. During dating, the female brain experiences surges of dopamine and oxytocin, fostering pleasure and bonding. Oxytocin's influence can lead to trust and intimacy. As relationships progress, dopamine highs stabilize into steady contentment. Long-term relationships can shift perception due to lessened hormonal influence, leading to changes in how partners are perceived. Motherhood and menopause may bring back hormonal fluctuations. Key idea number 5. Mums experience cognitive changes during and after pregnancy due to hormonal fluctuations and sleep deprivation, affecting memory, attention, and other mental functions. Pregnancy brings hormonal and neural changes to the female brain. Progesterone leads to physical and cognitive effects like fogginess and sensitivity to smells. The brain shrinks but becomes more efficient to prepare for childbirth. During birth, a surge of oxytocin changes the brain rapidly, aiding lactation and bonding. The hormonal changes help drive maternal nurturing instincts for the benefit of the offspring. Key idea number 6. Menopause is often viewed as a significant rite of passage in many cultures. It marks the end of a woman's reproductive years and signifies a transition into a new phase of life. In various societies, ceremonies and rituals are conducted to honor and celebrate this important milestone in a woman's life. The female brain undergoes significant changes throughout life, with specific shifts during stages like menopause. Hormone levels, including estrogen and oxytocin, fluctuate, impacting cognitive and emotional functions. Menopause marks a new phase, leading to decreased hormonal surges and potentially affecting libido. Despite challenges, this transformation allows women to develop wisdom and assertiveness. Postmenopausal women may experience increased focus and self-expression, benefiting themselves, families, and communities with their gained perspective and wisdom. In conclusion, hormones drive brain development and influence behaviors in females throughout life, with estrogen and progesterone playing key roles in puberty, maturation, sexuality, motherhood, and menopause. Awareness of their impact can help individuals understand and control these changes. Thank you for listening to this summary. If you enjoyed this exploration, we invite you to discover other fascinating books on storyplanet.net. Don't wait any longer. A multitude of books, stories, and knowledge await you there. See you soon on storyplanet.net.